The Water Supply and Sanitation Improvement Project Sri Lanka, established in December 2015, expanded the water supply coverage in selected 7 districts. Kilinochchi.
Since the beginning of civil war, Kilinochchi district people were facing many hardships. Lack of safe drinking water is one of the major problems. The resettled people in Kilinochchi were using unsafe water for 4 years until the project was implemented in 2016. The affected villagers were very much thankful to the project.
Mullaitivu.
The project has completed the extension of Oddu Sudan water supply scheme in Mullaitivu district, covering 622 households. This family was highly suffering with their 2 disabled children due to zero access to pipe water. The project has selected such affected families and uplifted their lives with the facilitation of their water and sanitation needs.
Kegol.
විධිමත් ජල යෝජනා ක්‍රමයක් මේ පළාතේ තිබුණේ නැහැ. විශාල සෙතක් මේ
3,902 households in Kegol district have been benefited by provision of pipe water for rural communities.
මේ ජල ව්‍යාපෘතියෙන් විශාල සෙතක් අත්පත් වෙනවා. මේ හම්බ වුණ ණය මුදලෙන් උපරිම ප්‍රයෝජන ලබා ගැනීම සඳහා මේ කාර්ය මණ්ඩලය සමත් වෙලා තියෙනවා කියන එක මේ අවස්ථාවේදී ප්‍රකාශ කරන්න කැමතියි.
Monoragala.
අපි වතුර වලින් හරීම දුකක් වින්දේ. පොඩි අයත් අරගෙන කියන්නේ බයිසිකල් වලින් අර එහෙම තමයි වතුර ගෙනාවේ හරීම දුකක් වින්දා. එහෙම ඉන්නකොට මේ ටැප් ලයින් එක හදලා දුන්නා. ඊගාවට දැන් මේ මාසයක දෙකකින් ඉඳන් මේ ටැප් ලයින් එකෙන් හොඳ
Before the beginning of project, Monrakala district people were having long laborious journeys to collect water for their domestic purposes. Today, the project has fulfilled the rural communities' water supply needs very successfully.
ආහාර නිෂ්පාදන කරන නිසා මට අවශ්‍ය වුණා හොඳ පිරිපහදු මේ වතුර ලබා ගන්න.
Ratnapura.
අපි පානීය ජලය නැමැතිව අපි ගොඩාක්ම දුක් විඳා. කිලෝමීටර් 3ක්.
As said by Ms. Leelavati from Gangayaya village in Ambalipitia, the project has made villagers' life convenient by provision of easy access to water.
ඉඳලා අපි සෑහෙන සන්තෝෂ වුණා.
Badulla.
මට දැනගන්න වයස ඉඳලා අවුරුදු 10 ඉඳලා වතුර නැතුව ඉස්කෝලේ ගියා. ඉස්කෝලේ ඉඳලා මිතාගෙන එනවා වතුර නැහැ.
Some rural people in Badulla district have suffered their whole life due to poor access to safe water. As said by one of the villagers, their next generation is so fortunate to have water and sanitation facility provided by the project.
මේ අවුරුදු 35 අපි දුක් විඳ විදිහට දැන් මගේ ළමයි අද ඔන්න නාන්න පුළුවන් වැඩි සෝදන්න පුළුවන් කියලා සතුටින් එනවා අද ඉස්කෝලේ ඉඳලා.
Norelia.
මීට පෙර අපි මම වතුරට පදිංචිට ඇවිල්ලා දැන් අවුරුදු 25ක් 27ක් විතර වෙනවා. ඒ කාල සීමාව තුළ අපිට වතුර නැතුව අපි කලෙන් වතුර ගෙනල්ලා තමයි අපේ ගෙදර වැඩ කටයුතු කරගත්තේ. එතකොට අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පාන්දර 3ට විතර නැගිටලා තමයි ගෙදර දෛනික වැඩ කටයුතු කරගන්නේ. අපි අර වෙනදා පාන්දර 3ට නැගිටින එක දැන් එහෙම ඕනේ නැහැ. පාන්දර 5ට විතර නැගිටලා අපිට දැන් කුස්සියටත් වතුර තියෙනවා, නාන්නත් වතුර තියෙනවා.
Norelia district is located in altitude of 6,128 feet, which is an important location for tea production in Sri Lanka. Plantation community is one of the most vulnerable communities in terms of low income levels and low living standards. This community has received rapid upliftment of living standards from the project by getting direct tap lines for their homes in contrast to public water taps.
முடியாத நிலை ஏற்பட்டிருந்துச்சு. ஆனால் அந்த நீர் வழங்கல் திட்டத்துக்கு பிறகு 24 மணித்தியாலமே எங்களுக்கு நீர் வந்து வீட்டுக்கு பாவனைக்கு இருக்கிறதுனால எல்லா வேலையுமே எங்களால் என்ன செய்ய முடியுது, இலகுவாக செய்ய முடியுது. இதனால இந்த நிறுவனத்துக்கு வந்து நாங்கள் ரொம்ப நன்றி கடன் பட்டிருக்கோம்.
By the end of the project, it will provide water supply connections to over 100,000 individual households in the country. The project provides water supply in urban areas, rural areas, and the estate areas in these districts. In addition to this, the project will assist the rehabilitation, upgrade and expansion of existing community-managed water supply systems in the districts. Water quality testing mobile laboratories were established and handed over to the National Water Supply and Drainage Board and the Department of National Community Water Supply to strengthen the capacity of the CBOs. The project established 16 clustered laboratories to strengthen water quality monitoring and treatment process control to provide safe health water to the nation. The project is preparing a database of the community-based water supply schemes and monitoring and evaluation for the community-managed water supply schemes. This roadmap for the sector will prioritize the water supply schemes and it will help the government actions to channel the funds for these prioritized projects.